What's going on, you guys? It's George and welcome back to my channel. Or welcome to my channel. Look who we have here today.
Cheers!
Miss Morgan Talks. Today's video is going to be, we're going to talk about skincare today. We both brought our own little bags of like favorite skincare products about the moment. And I have a lot to say. So if you're into our skincare hacks, tips, tricks, and talk, then keep on watching.
George.
It's George.
George!
George.
George, do feel lighter.
It's George.
You're real smart, aren't you, George?
Schirra.
It's George.
Schirra.
Is this recording? I can't even tell. You guys, it is so freaking hot in this igloo. Oh, by the way, today's video we are in an igloo. This is a restaurant in our area, and they have like these cool igloos set up, and they're heated. And today it was supposed to be chilly out, so I was like totally prepped with my 𝗵𝗫𝗃 jacket and my sweater, and I'm burning, I'm roasting.
Yeah, you know what? The
I'm about
sun's
to melt.
beating right on us, and I feel like we're getting a lot of vitamin D.
Necessary, guys. Got our champagne, popping bottles here, and skincare. So, what's better than that?
Nothing.
Nothing.
Champagne and skincare in an igloo.
So I have my bag here, and Morgan, she brought herself a 𝗏𝗧𝗃.
Girl.
And
Woo!
you need to show off your little bag.
Oh, so I have my little, this is my purse of the day. It's a micro bag. This was gifted to me by 𝗬𝗲𝗏, and I just thought it would be cute as like a purse to wear today.
Adorable, absolutely
Obsessed. Always represent.
I overpacked, but what else is new? I literally have,
I live an hour away.
oh my god, I have so much stuff in here. Alright, so I'm going to start off with one of my favorite products right now by this company called ATEM. And Morgan and I will link down below, we reviewed a face mask by ATEM.
I remember that. That was fun.
It was a beautiful face mask, and this moisturizer does not disappoint either. It has awesome ingredients, it's natural, and it's like a creamy consistency that like keeps your face hydrated, but not like, I don't know, overpowered. It's lightweight, which is what I look for in a moisturizer. My skin type is like oily to dry, so it's hard, I feel like, for me sometimes to find the right moisturizer, and this has been amazing. I actually want for you to try this, Morgan.
Okay.
By the way, I have this 𝗦𝗢𝗄𝗆𝗆 brush, and it's silicone on the end.
Oh my goodness, oh I love that.
I freaking love it, because you know what?
Man.
We don't want to put our hands in our products, but look at this consistency. I'm going to do a dedicated video on this.
I'm going to smell it.
I don't know if it has a scent.
Nope. But that's so
Girl, it's milk.
It has literally no scent, so that's cool. A lot of people don't like
That's what I
fragrance.
like. Give me your hand. Let me
I love that silicone
Isn't that
brush. You know what? I have a brush, but it's not silicone. It's like a normal brush, and it's like very wasteful.
Isn't it nice? It's like very, like it disperses easily. It gets right into my pores, and I'm freaking living for this, guys. And right now, it's the winter, believe it or not, but like the weather is so, like one day it's snowy, the next day it's like this, and you never know what to expect in Pennsylvania. So having the right moisturizer is extremely important.
You know what? I'm going to start off with this one. I brought 4. This is a hydrating toning mist by Murad that I've been using so much.
Really?
Now, I never really liked spray toners just because I just like the idea of putting like my toner on my cotton pad and kind of
That's my
toning.
least favorite.
It's my favorite. So the sprayer is very hydrating, and you know what? It just really works well. Like, not only does it tone my skin, but it just really makes my skin very hydrated. Like, really nice. I could almost rely on this like a moisturizer in a way.
Oh, wow.
Like, I'm not even kidding.
Nice, right?
So, yeah.
You guys are gonna hear some noise in the background because, like, unfortunately this is on a street, so if you hear like cars and stuff, that is why. And Murad, I used a Murad product before. I think it was like a face wash.
Yeah, and Murad always reminded me of like when
Is there rose in this?
Rose. Is there rose? Is everything smells
Rose
like
Dawson, is she in there?
Yeah, but it's very hydrating, and I've always looked at Murad.
Great hydration.
Is it? What do you think?
That's a heavy squirt.
Isn't
girl.
it like heavy? Like an actual, like, I honestly, you could almost sub this, almost, like if you're super greasy skin, you could almost sub this as a moisturizer, not even kidding. And I'm combination skin, so I never know what I'm waking up to. It's called the Resurgence Hydrating Toner, the Lotion Tonique by Murad, right here. If you are super dry and you want a good mist, buy this, 100%.
That name means business.
Business, girl.
And I'm gonna talk about something that I just actually took an Instagram picture of last night, posted it up because I freaking love vitamin C, and I know you do too. But this is something that I'm so excited about. See, I do care product say you do because it's supposed to leave you dewy.
Love a good dewy moment.
But it's not a crazy kind of dew. It's like a really nice. Of course, they have a little winking face right there, but
they have the cutest packaging.
They really do. And the unique thing about this, it's a gel and cream. So like the consistency is really weird. When you first buy it, it has kind of like a gel on the top and then a cream on the bottom. You have to mix it.
Really?
Yeah, it's really weird.
Hold on.
Now it looks like that, but when I first bought it, it looked nothing like this. It was just completely like you've seen 2 layers.
That's really cool.
Yeah, and I have to say this is probably my favorite vitamin C product that I've used ever.
Really?
And that's, I know it's saying a lot, but let me put that on you.
Ooh.
I know we're layering products here, but
love that.
And the
more
smell is
products,
refreshing.
the better.
This has avocado extracts and also banana extracts.
It's
so
cooling too.
Really unique ingredients here.
I like that a lot.
Yeah,
I gotta start buying I Do Care because I love their vitamin C stuff.
Yeah.
And even when we did like Thanksgiving at my house with the skincare products, I remember being like, that's nice. That and OC.
Oh yes, OC, which I do actually have an OC product
good.
up here that I'm freaking living for. OC is a luxury brand, but it's a very like natural, and they strive for like just clean beauty, which is something that is I'm finding a passion for these days, because guys, it's really important to know what you're not just putting into your body, but on your body. You know, whether it's beauty products, skincare, hair products. There's just so much that like we don't really pay attention to. And they have these 2 products here. These are both moisturizers. We have a Blemish Balm and also an Atmosphere Protection Cream. They look like this, if you guys can see them.
What does the Blemish Balm do?
Blemish Balm is basically, it's a moisturizer that,
Helps
to
with
me,
acne?
I wouldn't say helps with acne, but it gives you like a clear look. Like it's kind of like a barrier for your skin and gives it more of like an even tone. So
who doesn't love that?
Free, I guess, is what they aspire for, but they're all lightweight. They're not an overpowering moisturizer, and they really do keep your face like hydrated for a healthy amount of time. I wouldn't say like the entire day, but they're pretty cool.
Algae in there. Love a good algae moment.
There's a lot of different ingredients in here that are unique to me, so I appreciate them. I should want to give those a go, but they're pretty cool.
I'm running out of hands.
She's running out of hands over here, but
I'm looking at this. I'm like, oh, girl, I like this.
And their packaging is sick because it's glass packaging, and it's luxe, guys, but it's clean luxe. I just appreciate it so much. I freaking love.
So my next product that I'm gonna put on is gonna be like a body product. Now this is the Ultra Repair Cream by First Aid Beauty. This is one of my favorite body moisturizers. I especially love this moisturizer for my legs. I don't know, something about this just makes my legs so hydrated and smooth, and my pores even look nicer. Like,
oh my god.
and I've been using this for years, and I always got their non-scented version because if you're sensitive to fragrance and everything, First Aid Beauty makes like really good products that are not scented. And I think it's also helpful with like eczema, and I think that's why they call it like First Aid Beauty. It like heals some wounds, and it's just a really nice brand. Yeah. Helps hydrate dry, parched skin, temporarily helps relieve minor irritation and itching due to eczema and other conditions. Like, I don't think this is like was it physician or like medical grade? I don't think it's medical grade, but it's definitely
2 buffalo chickens.
Yeah, actually both of us got those, so you can
So one with ranch, it doesn't matter much.
The one with ranch over here. We got our food. This looks divine. Okay, anyway.
Oh my god, you guys.
We got the same thing.
We did. I know we're twinning today, but not resist buffalo.
A good flatbread buffalo with ranch on the side. Hi. But anyway, First Aid Beauty, it's just a very gentle brand, especially if you have sensitive skin. I absolutely love this body product. In the summer, primarily, I use this on my legs. I do have the La Mer body butter, but I only use that for my décolleté. And yeah, I really can't recommend this enough.
Is it décolleté or décolletage?
I don't know, actually. I call it décolleté.
All right, girl. I love you talking about body products, because that's one thing too, is like when you live in a multi-climate area like us, it's honeysuckle. Oh, that smells so nice.
I know, honeysuckle. Who doesn't love honeysuckle? I prefer it to be non-scented, but this was a gift, and I love honeysuckle, so can't pass that up, and I'm obsessed to use.
Not just the scent, but it seems like that's a pretty hydrating product.
I love that product.
That's what I mean, is like, it's always good to be hydrated no matter where you are, but especially in like multi-climate areas and like different weather and whatnot, you gotta really focus on all of it.
Or when we shave our legs.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
When I shave my legs, do you guys ever like get like those, you can see like the red bumps from shaving your
Can't
women,
relate.
yeah, you can't relate.
My body product I brought today was a hand cream, and guys, I'm learning that like the most fastest part of your body that tends to like age are your hands. And I'm learning the hard way because I noticed, I was like, why is Paris Hilton wearing gloves all the time?
Oh, really?
And I'm pretty sure it's because like it shows her age.
Oh,
and that breaks my heart.
yeah, it
because
breaks my heart.
forever the queen, but
She's frozen gorgeous.
oh,
she could
absolutely.
never.
Since then, I'm constantly like just hydrating my hands now, and I've used Bath and Body Works products, which to me don't do the job anything like this right here. This is the Valjean Labs Vitamin C and Hyaluronic Acid Hand Cream. Beautiful product, and of course I got this at TJ Maxx for $3.99. Can't complain. I just hope it's not freaking spoiled like my last product.
Girl.
You guys, my camera was defeated. I was leaving out in the sun while we were enjoying our food, and it just completely drained the battery. So now I'm filming on my phone. That's why the angle's different. That's why it looks different. That's why the quality is different at the house. But I'm kind of done talking about my skincare products. I have a few in here more that I wanted to talk about, but we're just gonna leave the rest of this video to discuss something that I've been kind of curious about, and that's, I want to know how you feel, Morgan, about other skincare influencers in the community that give their opinion on how we do our skincare wrong, or other like micro influencers and critique their skincare.
Stir the tea today.
And I just really want to know. I'm curious. I'm wondering. I'm pondering.
Okay, well, George, I mean, you know what? This is real talk. So, first of all, I think one of my biggest pet peeves is if you are out there if you're calling yourself a specialist or giving, you know, a lot of skincare advice and really telling people what to do with their skin, I mean, you should have certification to back it up. You really do need to be a dermatologist or an esthetician. You know what I'm saying? And I think that the influencer community is kind of like, I understand why real specialists get upset.
Yeah.
Like truly, because there's no comparison to a doctor and a regular person. And
unless you've like really studied.
No.
I don't know.
No, you didn't go to medical school. No, you didn't go to medical. And I'm going to tell you why I'm so passionate about that. I'm very like, no. Is because I got very sick last year, and when you get sick, every Tom, Dick, and Harry comes out of the woodwork. Every nurse that you know, you call, nurses with it, right? None of those, every piece of advice a nurse gave me, even a nurse in the medical field gave me, was literally opposite from the doctor, and the doctor was just like, no. Like,
oh, wow.
My husband and I really learned quick that, honestly, if you're not a doctor, like, don't wholeheartedly trust somebody. But if you're an esthetician and you work with skin every day and you see different skin types every day, then of course we could trust them more. Self-described specialists, or you know, just because you worked at certain jobs or you're a skincare enthusiast doesn't make you a real deal specialist. We're not trying to put out a message, period. That's a doctor's job. That's a specialist job. I'm here to tell people, and I'm sure maybe you feel the same.
Exactly.
What I like on my skin type.
What works for us, what our experience is using products. And that's exactly like why I wanted to talk to Morgan about this and have this open dialogue, because those of you that watch our channels and also other skincare influencers, it's important to know that unless you have a certificate or a degree within that field, you really got to take our opinion with a grain of salt. So I'm not a doctor. Dr. Morgan talks over here.
Just a fabulous queen, not a doctor.
We just like to experiment with different skincare products and have fun with stuff we use to take care of ourselves and our wellness. And
I think we've been doing a pretty good job. I mean, I think my skin looks great. I think your skin looks great.
Thanks.
And I don't intentionally talk about luxury products because I think they're the only ones that work.
Yeah.
You guys, listen, I keep it 100%. I'm not going to come on social media and pretend I use Neutrogena to be likable or relatable. I'm here to give you my real, like, life. This is what I use on my skin.
And that's the thing too, like I've used expensive products with amazing ingredients, and I've used affordable products with amazing ingredients, and both of them worked just as well for me. But again, it really
can't relate, but yeah. Can't relate.
It really goes on your own experience. That's pretty much it. Like, everyone's skin is different, everyone's pH level is different, everyone's skin type is different, oily, combination, dry. Like, it just, there's so many different levels of how unique each person is, you just got to keep that in mind. So unless you're a doctor and you're really getting advice from a doctor, but that's
right, and they like really know the truth. Like, yeah, I can't diagnose you. You know what?
Now another champagne is kicking in. You guys, first off, let me show you.
Wait, hold up. I'm still shook.
What?
I'm still quaking.
My camera was just balancing on the bottle of champagne because the camera died. So it is what it is. Use what you got. I am pooped. I also don't even know how I'm filming this outro right now because we had 3 glasses of champagne. Then afterwards, Gustavo, my partner, and Mark, Morgan's partner, we all met up and went for drinks at a local bar near the igloo place. And I guess you could say that was a reason for the celebration because I hit 4K subscribers on my channel. And guys, that is huge. That is huge. I'm extremely grateful and thankful to you. So for those of you that haven't followed me along on this YouTube journey, thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. It means the world. I mean, just the fact that people are actually interested in what I have to say and my videos and just my life. It's crazy. It is absolutely crazy. But thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you are not already, please subscribe to my channel. That'd be much appreciated. Goes a long way. Share this video and share the love. Also hit the notification bell because I upload videos weekly, multiple times a week. So you might as well follow me on this YouTube journey. Also, do not judge this shirt that I'm wearing. You're probably looking at this little sunshine kitty here and they're like, what the heck? I seen 𝗃𝗏 a few weeks ago and I practically live in this shirt since I got it, but whatever. Guys, my Instagram is right here. If you want to give that a follow as well, @𝘄𝗄𝘄𝘆. And until next time, say thanks, give compliments, and think positive. And I'll catch you in the next video. Bye, guys.